Residual income is money you earn repeatedly from work you did once. It is often described as income earned while you sleep. The term residual refers to what is left over, but in finance, it represents an ongoing stream of revenue from past efforts. Unlike a traditional paycheck, where you trade time for money, residual income decouples your labor from your earnings over the long term. People generate this income through various channels, from owning real estate and stocks to creating digital assets that sell repeatedly. Active income requires your constant presence, whereas residual income builds on systems that continue to generate value after the initial work ends. Notice that the initial effort is high, but the maintenance time required to sustain the income often decreases significantly over time. Always remember that residual income is rarely passive at the start. It usually requires significant upfront time or financial capital to build. Understanding these streams can help you diversify your financial life. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.